Alright, what's up, guys? This is 2014 Bowman Baseball Jumbo Box Break number 3 for AMC Breaks. In this break, we have Brandon B, Colin M, Daddy Smallbucks, Gary W, and Daniel R. We're going to see how many times we're going to go random. 8 times. This will determine a draft order for a division draft. Second, let me get the spreadsheet ready. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we are going 8 times. Good luck, guys. This will be for the draft order. And we 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th and final. Good luck. Daniel R, Daddy Smallbucks, Gary W, Brandon B, and Colin M is the draft order. So Danny Dog, you are on the clock. Danny Dog is on the clock. Daddy Smallbucks always has that long name. There we go. Okay, thanks, Gary. Alright, Danny Dog is taking the AL Central. Alright, up next is Daddy Smallbucks. Let me check to see who he's taking. He joined on Facebook. He's going to take the AL East and NL West. AL East and NL West. Alright, Gary, you're up. Gary is on the clock. I have a feeling I know who he wants. Yeah, I know. Isn't that right, Gary? Alright, Brandon B, you're up now. Gary takes the NL East. Brandon B is on the clock. That's #1 Sox fan. Yeah, right? We have the AL West and NL Central. Alright, taking the NL Central. And sorry, Colin, you got the AL West, which actually isn't that bad. The AL West actually has the most autographs in this product. Just saying, you have the best odds for a hit. Okay, if anybody wants to make any trades, you can do so now. I'm going to bust the box open, and I won't rip any packs until you guys say good to go. But I will open the box. Close that knife up so I don't have to go to the emergency room. These big jumbo packs. We have 3 autographs in this box, guys, plus some numbered refractors. Actually, I need that box. All right. Okay, Gary's good to go. Everybody else is good to go, I'm assuming. Andrew's going to try to say, hold on, wait. Are the Dodgers for sale? It seems like every time I start to do a break, Andrew's telling me to wait. Because the Dodgers, he wants the Dodgers. And we're starting off with camera issues. Alright, guys, I'm going to flip through the paper cards, but I will show every card. Yeah. Hey, it's usually only Skippy on the West Coast. Hey, what's up, Dawn? Looks like we got green something already, guys. And I see orange. What the hell's going on here? Looks like we might have green and orange. Oh, that's good right there, guys. That's a pretty good card. Masahiro Tanaka, rookie card. It's a good card, guys. Wow, this is a crazy pack right here because we got green and we have a mini refractor in there. This is numbered 162. 162 of 250. Masahiro Tanaka. That's a nice card. We also have a mini refractor of Phil Irvin. And we have Dylan Floro. Dylan Floro. For the Tampa Bay Rays. That is numbered 59 of 75. We're off to a great start in this box. So those two cards were AL East going to Daddy Smallbucks. So Daddy Smallbucks went with the AL East second, and so far it's paying off. Ty Buttrey. Wait 1 second. Get my stacks organized here. There we go. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. Billy McKinney. Armando Rivero. Mark Appel. Dylan Overton. And paper. Is it laggy for anybody else besides Andrew? Hey, what's up, CD McIntosh? How you doing, man? There's Michael Franco paper. Looks like we have a blue. Julio Teheran, blue paper parallel for the Braves. And that is numbered 483 of 500. That's the NL East going to Gary W. Also have Javier Baez, prospect number 6 of the top 100 prospects insert. Daniel Polka. John Gant, Victor Payano, Dwayne Underwood, Jose Herrera, Seth Mejias Breen, and back to paper. Yeah, I think the best paper card you can get is Masahiro Tanaka, which is why that orange parallel is so nice. Someone told me that a base paper of Tanaka is selling for like $5 because it's his first rookie card. I guess, maybe. I think he was in the World Baseball Classic product, but... And maybe 2009 he was in something. But for whatever reason, the Tanaka is selling for a good amount for a paper base card. He was in Gypsy Queen? Oh yeah, he was. You're right. Yeah, I think I got a mini of him in Gypsy Queen. Yeah, but most people consider like Bowman like definitive, you know. Gregory Polanco, number 14 of the top 100 for the Pittsburgh Pirates. And Gabriel Yanoa, Santiago Nessie, Pat Stover, Victor DeLeon, Carlos Contreras, Sam Maul, and paper. I try to hold these cards like this so you guys can see the names on them. I could hold them like this if you guys like. I don't know if you want to see the pictures or the names. Some people are more familiar with names than they are pictures. I'm kind of half and half, really. All right. There's pack number 4, guys. Pack number 1 was awesome for a non-auto pack. So I can straighten the stack up there. If it's laggy for anybody, you can watch the video on YouTube. It won't be laggy there. Roberto Osuna, mini refractor. And an ice card of Ty Buttrey for the Red Sox. And no auto just yet. No auto. Cody Reed, Preston Tucker, Chris Flexen, Chris Taylor, Julio Urias, Tyler Wade, and back to paper. Rodano Ventura, he's been pretty good. I know Matt Vu likes him, right? And Ian Desmond. Let me relocate this stack of cards real quick. There we go. Alright. Pack number 5, guys. Yeah, paper. Most people consider it fire kindling. You know, I like it. Whatever. You know, everybody has their own thing. There we go. Use it as toilet paper. Some people probably would. Feed it to my Chiweenie. Whoa, that looks cool. Paul Goldschmidt, hometown flag card. That's pretty cool. And there is our first autograph, guys. David Holmberg for the Cincinnati Reds. Cincinnati Reds, David Holmberg. That's the NL Central going to Brandon B. Brandon B is on fire. And that is a base autograph. We also have Jacob DeGrom, Anthony Aliotti, Bobby Coyle, Brian Regira, Mookie Betts, and back to the paper base. Alright, pack number 6, guys. We still have 2 autos left. Hopefully we have a nice color autograph. You know what I really hope we have, though, guys? I hope we have a redemption. The autograph was David Holmberg, pitcher for the Cincinnati Reds. Of course, I know who he is. There are veterans, Gary, in the base cards. Like there's Dominic Brown. There's a Jose Abreu paper. But there are some veterans. There are rookie autographs as well. Like there's a Billy Hamilton and a Xander Bogaerts. Devin Travis, mini relic for the Tigers. And wow, there you go, Andrew. Let that sit there for a second so Andrew can see it with his lag. What's up, F-Stop? How you doing, man? We got Yasiel Puig, Bowman. Throwback insert. That is the NL West. That's going to Daddy Smallbucks. That's a pretty cool card. There we go. Luke Jackson, Eric Jagello, Rosell Herrera, Tucker Newhouse, Melvin Mercedes. You did? That's cool, man. I like this Matt Harvey card. Just want to throw that out there. The colors look really awesome in that. It always catches my eye every time we speed by it. That Matt Harvey. Something about that blue and orange sticks out. That's cool that you have one, though, Andrew. I mean, I knew you would get one. I mean, it's not, like, super valuable or nothing, I don't think. I mean, I'd say at most it probably sells for $5, right? I mean, who knows this week? Once things cool down, it probably won't sell for a ton. This week, Bowman is so hot that things just sell crazy. Sell for crazy prices. Is this, no, it's paper. We have a paper of Chris Archer for the Tampa Bay Rays. That is numbered 8 of 50. 8 of 50. That's the AL East going to Daddy Smallbucks. Chris Archer. We have Dylan Floro. Mini refractor for the Rays. Chris Beck. Tyler Danish. Orlando Arcia. Franklin Barreto. Alexander Guerrero. Kenny Giles. And back to paper base. Let me put this stack of cards in the box here. Alright. Halfway, guys. Yeah, F-Stop. If you're interested, I have another jumbo box of Bowman Baseball. It is $32 a division. All cards shipped tomorrow, including the base cards. I give discounts if you want more than one division. Looks like we have a blue, probably a paper in this this pack. We have a blue paper of Eric Johnson, and we have a blue. Make sure this is in focus. There you go, Gary. There you go, Gary. That's what's up, man. Hey, real quick, guys. 314 of 500 on Eric Johnson. And we just got this Michael Franco. Yeah, he's good, too. That's probably good money right there. Somebody look it up, see how much it's worth. It is numbered 18 of 150. 18 of 150. That's going to Gary W. in the NL East. A Phillies fan. He knows who Michael Franco is. knows who Michael Franco is now. Joe Wendell, Hunter Renfroe, Michael Feliz, Lewis Thorpe, Raimel Tapia. You got a mugshot of him now, Gary. You know exactly who he is. That's a nice auto though, guys. 160. There you go, buddy. That's a Steve Carlton and then some. There's a Derek Jeter, Prince Fielder base cards. Got Mookie Betts. That's a cool name. We have Carlos Carrera. Or not Carrera. What the hell am I saying? Carlos Correa. Mini Refractor. Sam Maul. Ice. Ben Lively. Matthew Bowman. Brandon Compton. Manuel Margot. This guy, who I refuse to pronounce. Steven Ramos. And back to paper base. Yoenis Cespedes. You can get some nice parallels of veteran guys, Gary and Bowman, which is cool. There's some good parallels. We got 3 packs left, guys. 1 auto remaining. And hopefully some good numbered refractors. What you really want to see in Bowman is a redemption card. Because it seems like all the Chris Bryant autographs are redemptions. So, if you get a redemption, it might be a good thing. There is our other autograph, guys. Pierce Johnson. This is a refractor auto for the Chicago Cubs. That's NL Central going to Brandon B. Brandon B is on fire. That is numbered 60 of 500. Brandon B. Congrats, man. It's 2 autos for you. Chris Bostic. Sean Plefner. Jason Hirsch. Leonardo Molina. Brandon Trinkwon. And back to the paper base. Alright, 2 packs left, guys. This back, it's just an ad. I was gonna say this back card's damaged pretty bad. The whole corner's bent over, but it's just an ad. I mean, it'd be paper back there anyways. Not like most of you guys care about that. But I'll still show it to you. I do have 2 more jumbo boxes, guys, if anyone's interested in the division. It's $32 for a division draft. All cards shipped tomorrow. Lucas Giolito, something along those lines. Prospect number 22 of a top 100 insert. Top 100 prospects insert. Devin Travis. Pierce Johnson. Dylan Floro. Devin Williams. Gus Schlosser. Matt McPherson. And back to paper base. We have 1 pack after this, and I'll do a quick hit recap at the end. And if anyone wants to bust box number 2, we can move on to that. And an ad. Alright, last pack, guys. Hopefully we get a good numbered refractor out of here. It's been a good box, so with that orange paper parallel of Masahiro Tanaka, that really made it a good box. Plus the Michael Franco obviously makes it a good box. We got a blue Michael Franco out of 150 for anybody just coming into the room. We have Jorge Soler, mini refractor for the Cubs. We have Yadier Molina, Bowman throwback. Really nice looking card, those are. I like those a lot. Jake Barrett, Jose Abreu, there you go. That's worth something. Chase Anderson, Robert Selman, Ryan Stanek, and paper base. Do a quick hit recap here at the end. It's $32 a division, guys. Division draft. All cards shipped tomorrow. Here's a quick hit recap. Our first hit was a Masahiro Tanaka orange paper parallel rookie card. 162 of 250. Then we had Dylan Floro. Dylan Floro for the Tampa Bay Rays. 59 of 75. We had Julio Teheran. Blue paper. 483 of 500. Our first autograph was a base auto of David Holmberg, pitcher for the Cincinnati Reds. And then we had a gold paper of Chris Archer for the Tampa Bay Rays. That is numbered 8 of 50. We had a blue paper parallel of Eric Johnson. 314 of 500. We had a refractor autograph of Pierce Johnson for the Chicago Cubs. That was numbered 60 of 500. And our biggest hit was Michael Franco. Michael Franco blue refractor autograph, 18 of 150. Thanks, guys, for getting in. The screen might go black for about 5 seconds.